The latest robbery trial is over. Let's go ahead and talk about it. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to make this a little bit quicker than usual because I am tired and I want to get to bed. Got a splitting headache. But I wanted to get this video out to you and filmed so I can get it out tomorrow morning. And it is the final chapter in the Rare Breed North Dakota saga. If you don't know, Rare Breed had a case in the Middle District of Florida that was dismissed because people missed filings. So Rare Breed reincorporated in North Dakota and sued the federal government over the cease and desist letter that was given to them by the ATF telling them to stop making their FRT-15 trigger. FR-15 trigger is a force reset trigger. The ATF claims that it is a machine gun. Rare Breed claims that it functions as a semi-automatic trigger, but the ATF has been showing up at people's houses, taking the trigger, claiming that they are in violation of the NFA by holding a machine gun. Rare Breed, when they moved to North Dakota, they actually didn't move to North Dakota. What they did is they rented a Regis office, which is a shared office space. The ATF's legal team sent paralegals down to the office space to take pictures to show that Rare Breed didn't actually have any physical office space in North Dakota. What they claim Rare Breed was doing was judge shopping, where they look for a judge that would be favorable to their cause. If you don't know, North Dakota has two courts in the same district, and both of those district judges are both conservative. So I guess they figured that they would be able to get a conservative judge that will rule in their favor. Although they did, I believe, agree to a magistrate judge, which I wouldn't have done. I would have stuck with that district judge, but maybe I'm thinking of another case. But anyway, that judge looked at all the evidence and saw that Rare Breed didn't actually have any physical offices in North Dakota and basically sided with the ATF. So the judge dismissed the case without prejudice, which means that the case can be refiled. The judge gave them two options: file in DC or file in the Middle District of Florida. According to Rare Breed CEO Lawrence DeMonico, the company plans on refiling in the Middle District of Florida by Friday, but it could be pushed back. But their target date is by Friday to refile in the Middle District of Florida. Right now, that is the best that they can do, but the Middle District of Florida is not the place where I would want to fight this case, but they really don't have a choice. They have to go back to the Middle District of Florida or DC, and either place is a terrible place to file if you're Rare Breed, because the chances of you getting a favorable judge is slim to none. And if you do win on the district level, the circuit that you're going to be going into is a terrible circuit for gun cases. So we will see what happens in the Middle District of Florida. I don't hold up too much hope, but hey, like I always say, you can never bet on what the courts are going to do. They might have some type of rabbit they can pull out of their head and pull off a win, or they can just lose. We'll see what happens, but I'm not going to bet either way because you never ever know what a court system is going to do. I hope they do win. I really, really do, because I believe the FRT-15 is not a machine gun. Force reset triggers do not function as a machine gun, but the Justice Department and the ATF claim that they do, and they've been rounding up triggers, so this might be able to head off some of that stuff, but I have my doubts that the case will be successful. But good on Rare Breed for fighting the case so hard. We need more people to stand up to the Justice Department, the ATF, and the Biden administration as a whole and say that we aren't going to take it anymore. We are going to fight back. In this case, I think it might be at the end of the road. I'm not sure where they go if they lose in the Middle District of Florida, but it's going to be an uphill battle. And Kevin Maxwell and Lawrence Monaco seem committed to fight that uphill battle. Kevin Maxwell is the owner of Rare Breed Triggers, and Lawrence Monaco is the president of Rare Breed Triggers. So we will see what these two guys do. I just don't have a good feeling about it, but I could be wrong. I've been wrong in the past, and I will be wrong in the future. And I truly, truly hope that I am wrong in this situation. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you have a wonderful Saturday. Enjoy the rest of the day. My name is John Crump, and I am out of here. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay ever vigilant. Stay ever free. Keep in the fight. I'm gone. See ya. Bye. Love ya. Wolverine's mother.